Have you ever noticed something strange? You walk into a room, and somehow, people talk over you. Your ideas get ignored until someone else repeats them. You keep being the one who texts first, apologizes first, and tries the hardest. Yet somehow, you're the least respected person in the group. Now, before you blame your looks, your money, or your personality, what if I told you that respect isn't random, it's psychological? Every single day, you're sending signals to the people around you. And without saying a word, those signals tell them exactly how they should treat you. The scary part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. Today, I'll show you 7 psychological mistakes that quietly destroy respect. These aren't the usual make eye contact or talk less tips you've heard 100 times. These are deeper, and once you notice them, you'll never look at your own behavior the same way again. Let's start with the first mistake. 1. You have nothing you're building. People don't respect people who only consume. They respect people who create. Think about it. One person spends 6 hours a day scrolling TikTok, watching YouTube shorts, arguing online, and waiting for the weekend. Another person spends those same 6 hours learning a skill, building a business, improving their body, or creating content that helps other people. Who automatically feels more important? Exactly. Notice I didn't say richer, I said more important, because purpose changes everything. It changes how you speak, how you walk, how you make decisions. People can sense when your life has direction. You don't need millions of dollars. You don't need a fancy car. You don't even need to be successful yet. You just need to be moving towards something that matters. People naturally respect progress, but they rarely respect potential that's never used. So stop asking, how do I make people respect me? Start asking, what am I building that deserves respect? 2. Your words mean nothing. Here's a simple question. Do people believe you when you say you're going to do something? Because if they don't, you've already lost respect. Think about that friend who always says, I'm starting the gym on Monday. I'm quitting social media. I'm launching my business next month. But somehow, Monday never comes. The business never starts. Nothing changes. Eventually, people stop listening, not because they hate him, because his words have no weight. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't lose respect the day you fail. You lose respect the day people realize your promises don't mean anything. Your reputation is built on one thing: keeping your word. If you say you'll call, call. If you promise to finish something, finish it. If you can't do it, don't promise it in the first place. The most respected people usually aren't the loudest. They're simply predictable. When they say they'll do something, it gets done. That's power. 3. You're too easy to access. This one surprises most people. Being available all the time doesn't make people appreciate you. It often makes them value you less. Have you ever noticed how people suddenly miss someone after they're gone for a while? That's because absence creates awareness. When something is always available, the brain starts treating it like background noise. This doesn't mean you should ignore everyone or pretend to be busy. That's fake confidence. Instead, build a life that's genuinely full. Have goals. Have routines. Have priorities. If someone texts you, you don't have to reply in 30 seconds. If someone invites you somewhere, you don't always have to say yes. Your time has value. The moment you start treating your time like it's valuable, other people begin doing the same. Remember, respect grows where boundaries exist. 4. You keep asking for permission to exist. This mistake is incredibly common. You over-explain. You apologize for everything. You ask permission before sharing your opinion. You constantly wonder, what if they don't like me? What if I sound stupid? What if I annoy them? So instead, you stay quiet. But confidence isn't being fearless. Confidence is speaking even when you feel uncomfortable. Think about the people you admire. Do they apologize every time they open their mouth? No. They speak with clarity, not because they're always right, but because they believe their voice deserves to be heard, and yours does too. Stop saying, "Sorry, this might be a dumb idea." Start saying, "Here's what I think." There's a huge difference. One sentence asks for validation. The other earns attention. And attention is the first step toward respect. 4 mistakes, 4 silent habits, and most people never notice they're doing any of them. But the next 3 are even more powerful. One of them explains why some people instantly command respect the moment they walk into a room, before they even say a single word. 5. You don't have standards. One of the fastest ways to lose respect is by accepting things you know you shouldn't. You let people cancel plans at the last minute without saying anything. You laugh at jokes that disrespect you. You keep saying it's fine when it clearly isn't. At first, it feels like you're keeping the peace, but over time, people learn something dangerous. They'll tolerate anything. Respect begins where standards begin. You don't need to argue. You don't need to become rude. Just calmly let people know what you accept and what you don't. The people who truly respect you won't leave because of your standards. The people who only benefited from your lack of boundaries might, and that's okay. 6. Your appearance doesn't match your potential. Before anyone hears your voice, they see you. Like it or not, first impressions happen in seconds. You don't need expensive clothes. You don't need designer shoes. But looking clean, organized, and healthy sends a message. It tells people, I take care of myself. Trim your hair. Wear clothes that fit. Keep your shoes clean. Smell fresh. Stand up straight. These aren't signs of ego. They're signs of self-respect. And people often mirror the way you treat yourself. 7. You depend on other people's approval. This is the biggest mistake of all. If your mood changes every time someone likes you, replies to your message, compliments you, or ignores you, then you've handed other people control over your confidence. That's a dangerous place to live because approval is unpredictable. Some people won't like you no matter what you do, and that's normal. The goal isn't to be liked by everyone. The goal is to become someone you respect. Ironically, the moment you stop chasing approval, people start respecting you more. Because confidence isn't saying, everyone must like me. Confidence is saying, I'll be okay even if they don't. Final thoughts. Respect isn't something you demand. It isn't something you can buy. And it definitely isn't something that appears overnight. It's built through small actions repeated every single day. Keeping your word, protecting your time, having standards, improving yourself, and refusing to base your worth on other people's opinions. If you fix even one of these habits, your life begins to change. Fix all 7, and people won't just hear your words, they'll feel your presence. So here's a question. Which mistake are you going to fix first? If this video made you think, leave a comment below with one sentence. I choose self-respect over approval. And if you're serious about becoming the strongest version of yourself, subscribe, because this is only the beginning.